Hey, ready to go shopping?
Absolutely. I need a new jacket, and this time I want to speak English like a professional shopper.
A professional shopper? Yes, I want to walk into a store, speak confidently, ask questions, negotiate everything.
Well, I can definitely help you with the English part.
Great, because sometimes I know exactly what I want to say, but somehow the sentence comes out completely wrong.
Don't worry. That happens to a lot of English learners.
So what should I learn?
Today, I'm going to show you 5 common shopping mistakes people make in English and what you can say instead.
5 mistakes? Okay, Isabella, let's see how many I make.
I have a feeling you're going to make at least 3.
3?
Maybe 4.
That's not very encouraging.
Don't worry. By the end, you'll sound much more natural.
Isabella, look at that jacket. I want to buy this.
Stop right there.
What? Is the jacket bad?
No, the jacket is fine. Your English is understandable, but there's a more natural and polite way to say it.
What should I say?
Instead of, I want to buy this, try, I'd like to buy this.
I'd like to buy this.
Exactly.
Is I want to buy this wrong?
Not necessarily. People will understand you, but I'd like sounds more polite and natural when you're talking to a shop assistant.
So if I see something I really like, I can say, I'd like to buy this.
Yes, and if you're not ready to buy yet, you can say, I'm interested in this one.
Okay, let me try. Excuse me, I'm interested in this jacket. Do you have it in black?
Perfect.
Wow, I already sound professional.
Don't get too confident. We have 4 more mistakes.
Excuse me, I want these headphones.
Good choice.
But first, I need to know the price.
Go ahead.
How much is the price?
And there's mistake number 2.
Again?
Yes, you don't usually need to say, how much is the price?
Then what should I say?
The easiest option is, how much is this?
How much is this?
Exactly.
That's much shorter.
And very natural.
What if I'm talking about shoes?
Then you can say, how much are these?
So one item, how much is this?
Correct.
More than one, how much are these?
Exactly.
Let me practice. Excuse me, how much are these headphones?
Very good.
And if I want to ask about a shirt?
How much is this shirt?
I think I've got it.
Great. And remember, you don't need complicated English to sound natural.
Short and simple.
Exactly.
Isabella, this shirt is too small.
Then what would you say to the shop assistant?
Easy. Give me a bigger size. What?
That sounds a little too much like an order.
An order?
Yes, you're not telling the shop assistant what to do. You're making a request.
So what should I say?
Try, do you have this in a larger size?
Do you have this in a larger size?
Perfect.
Or can I say, could I try a larger size?
Absolutely.
What if I know exactly what size I want?
Then you can say, do you have this in a large?
Okay, let me try a real conversation. Excuse me, this shirt is a little tight. Do you have it in a larger size?
Much better.
And the shop assistant might say, sure, let me check.
Exactly.
This is actually easy.
Shopping English is mostly about learning useful phrases and using them naturally.
So instead of give me a bigger size, I should say, do you have this in a larger size?
Yes.
Much more polite.
And much more natural.
I don't like it.
Wait, there's another problem.
I knew it.
First, trousers are plural, so you would normally say I don't like them, not I don't like it.
Ah, because trousers are plural.
Right.
But is I don't like them natural?
It is, but you can be more specific.
How?
Maybe the trousers are too tight.
They're too tight.
Good. Or maybe they're too loose.
They're too loose.
Maybe they're too long.
They're too long.
Exactly.
What if I simply don't like the style?
Then you could say, I don't think this style is right for me.
That's much more polite than I don't like it.
And it gives the shop assistant useful information.
So if I say I don't like it, the conversation can stop there.
Exactly.
But if I say I like the collar, but they're a little too tight, the shop assistant can help me.
Now you're thinking like a professional shopper.
Finally.
For example, the shop assistant could say, we have the same pair in a larger size.
And I could say, great, could I try those?
Perfect.
I found it.
Found what?
The perfect jacket.
Nice. Are you going to buy it?
Of course. I will take it.
That's understandable, but let's make it sound more natural.
What's wrong with I will take it?
It's not necessarily wrong, but in everyday shopping English, I'll take it is more natural.
So I should say I'll take it.
Yes.
What about if I'm choosing between two jackets?
You can say, I'll take this one, or I'll go with this one.
I'll go with this one.
Exactly.
Let me practice.
Okay, imagine I'm the shop assistant. Would you like the blue jacket or the black one?
I'll take the black one.
Perfect.
I'll go with the black one.
Also perfect.
So now I know how to choose something like a pro.
Exactly.
Isabella, before we leave, are there any other phrases I should know?
Definitely. Here are 3 extremely useful ones.
I'm listening. So I don't have to say, no, I don't need help?
Right. I'm just looking, thanks sounds friendly and natural. Phrase 2. Do you have anything similar?
What if I like something but it's too expensive?
Then ask, do you have anything similar?
That's useful.
Very. The shop assistant might show you another style, another brand, or something at a different price.
So instead of walking away, I can ask for another option.
Exactly. Phrase 3. Is this on sale?
And what if I want a discount?
You can simply ask, is this on sale?
Is this on sale?
Yes.
Or are there any discounts on this?
Exactly.
I like that one.
I knew you would.
Okay. Final test.
I'm ready.
Number 1. You see a jacket you want to buy. What do you say?
I'd like to buy this.
Excellent. Number 2. You want to know the price.
How much is this?
Good. Number 3. Your shirt is too small.
Do you have this in a larger size?
Perfect. Number 4. You don't like how the trousers fit.
They're a little too tight.
Great. Number 5. You've made your decision and want to buy the jacket.
I'll take it.
Excellent.
So, how did I do?
Much better than when we started.
Does that mean I can finally call myself a professional shopper?
Your English is professional.
And my shopping?
That's another problem.
Why?
Because you've been holding that jacket for 20 minutes.
Oh,
Are you actually going to buy it?
absolutely. I'll take it.
Now that's the right answer. So, what did we learn today?
We learned that speaking good shopping English isn't about using difficult words.
It's about using simple phrases naturally.
Exactly.
Instead of saying, I want to buy this, say, I'd like to buy this.
Instead of how much is the price, say how much is this?
Instead of give me a bigger size, say, do you have this in a larger size?
Instead of simply saying I don't like it, explain the problem.
And instead of I will take it, say, I'll take it.
Practice these phrases out loud, and don't be afraid to use them in real conversations.
Because confidence comes from practice.
Exactly.
Thanks for shopping with us.
And remember,
small changes can make your English sound much more natural.
okay, goodbye. See you again.